and set it up for data science, for data science projects. First step is search for Anaconda, and you can put data science, just so that you don't bring the serpent. And then here you will see that there's a link from anaconda.com, okay? This one is a guide. You want to go to the main website. We can go from here. Any link from anaconda.com will get you there. Just click on Anaconda and you'll be there. The main thing is to download the free download. Now, there's a little catch. It'll ask you to register. If you do not want to register, you can skip the registration down here and download it for your computer. The downloader for your computer, the button will be highlighted, and it will be the correct download for your computer. Just click download. Now, this will take a little bit to download. It's about 1 gigabyte. And once it downloads, you want to install it, which usually means double clicking it if you're in a Macintosh or in a Windows environment. Here, this has finished, and we're about to click it. So now it's done. I'm going to click it. I'm going to click Open File. In Windows, that's how you can click this guy. And then there will be several prompts that will ask you, oh, this is a program that's been downloaded from the internet. Do you want to run it or not? Just run it. And there will be your regular prompts to install it. And like these. I agree, and so on, and so forth. So you'll wait till this process is finished. Next, and I'm just going to uncheck these two and finish. Now, I'm going to start this program. So I'll start Anaconda from the programs here. If you don't see it, you can just type here Anaconda and you're going to launch Anaconda Navigator. This is going to take a while to load. It is possible that while it's loading, you'll see a circle kind of like this one here appear in the middle of your screen. Then at some point, you should see this dashboard. Now, this dashboard has a lot of applications that are conducive to data science. Some of it have to do with cloud programming, with AI, with Python, with some databases, some scripting, and lastly, some data analysis. The one application that we're going to be concerned is this one, is RStudio. The first time Anaconda loads, it'll be loading packages and doing a bunch of stuff here in the background. It's better to let it finish before we do anything else. However, in the meantime, I will bring to your attention that there are some applications that have a launch icon and some applications that have an install icon. Okay? By default, RStudio is not installed, and we will want to install it. So we scroll all the way down to RStudio, and we'll install it. So we click on Install. Okay, so after a while, R is installed. Now we can see that if we look for RStudio, it is installing and asks us to launch it. So when you click Launch, RStudio should open up. This is a dashboard where independent programs open. And we'll see that RStudio starts. And again, the first time, it always takes a little longer. but we have RStudio. It's going to ask us to download or ignore the update. I'm going to ignore the update for now, but this is the environment that you'll be working on. To close it, simply click X out here. Now, the next time you open Anaconda, I'm going to close the navigator. Quit Anaconda? Yes. And do not show this again. I'm going to quit. To open Anaconda again, you can just go to your programs, look for Anaconda, or you can just directly go to RStudio and open RStudio directly. And that will fire up RStudio. We're going to install things through Anaconda, which will make it fairly easy to open these programs, but it really installs independent programs there. And here it is.